everybody, welcome back to Circle H Farms. It's kind of cold today, so we're here in the kitchen and I'm going to be making one of our favorite snacks, some beef jerky. I've got here one of our grass-fed beef roasts. This is a London broil, and I like using these for beef jerky because there's not a lot of fat and it's a pretty good thickness, so it makes some good slices. This one's about 3 pounds. I've also used other kinds of steaks and roasts or anything as long as there's not too much fat on it. You can use venison, or I've even used turkey for people who have alpha-gal. So we're just gonna take this back to our meat slicer and slice it up. This is frozen a little bit to make it easier to slice. If you don't have a meat slicer, you can just use your kitchen knife to slice it up. I'm going to cut this in probably about 1/8 of an inch slices. So we're gonna go do that and then come back here to make the marinade. This meat slicer is very old and it's not real pretty either, but it still does a great job for us. And this is pretty hard to do with one hand, so bear with me. This is perfect. This is just how I wanted it to turn out. It's thin enough to where it will dry quickly in the dehydrator, but it's not too thin to where it's gonna get crunchy and crispy and be hard to eat. So this is perfect. Alright, here I've got my sliced up beef, and I'm gonna try to separate it a little bit so that the marinade that I'm going to make will get through there evenly. What I've got here is some onions and garlic that's minced up. I've got some brown sugar, paprika, red pepper, black pepper, salt, and some liquid smoke. And I don't really use a recipe for this, and you can adjust it to your tastes, whatever you would like to add in there or leave out. But this is what we like. Alright, I got everything pretty much evenly mixed. Now I'm going to pop this in the refrigerator and let it set overnight. Dear Emily, happy birthday to you and many more. Emily's been wanting rabbits for quite a while, so for her birthday we got this breeding trio of these Joel Salatin rabbits, and we got them from Sheraton Park Farms in North Carolina. We're real happy to add these to our farm. Now the meat has marinated long enough. It's been almost 24 hours, so I laid the strips of jerky out on the dehydrator trays and got them as close together as I could without letting them touch. They will lose some size as they start to dry out, but I'm not sure how long this is going to take. I'm gonna, to start off with, just leave these in for about 4 hours and then I'll check them. The hardest part of all of this is it smells so good, but you just have to wait for it to finish. It's been about 4.5 or 5 hours now, and it's looking really good, and I've come in every so often and rotated the tray so that it'll dry evenly. I'm going to let it go another probably 5 or more hours. I'll check it every now and then and I'll know it's done when it will bend and there's no moisture, but it doesn't just snap. Well, it has been quite some time since we made that beef jerky. Things got hectic and I just never could finish up this video. So you'll just have to take my word for it that it turned out good, because it's all gone and it's in fact time to make some more now. So I'd like to thank you for watching, and if you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, but it sure does help us. Say hi. Hi. And if you like to watch these kind of videos and see how we cook here on the farm, you can hit the notify button and it will notify you when we put out a new video. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.